Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G5 won't boot and get stuck at the BIOS screen, you're not alone. This issue often arises from corrupted BIOS settings, which can prevent your laptop from progressing to the operating system. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, including potential data loss. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a replacement BIOS chip if necessary. To begin, ensure that you power down the device completely. Disconnect all peripherals and remove the battery if possible. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back cover of the laptop. Keep these screws safe as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, locate the motherboard. The BIOS chip is usually situated near the center of the board, identifiable by its small rectangular shape. If the BIOS is faulty, carefully detach the chip using the spudger, ensuring you do not damage surrounding components. Replace it with a new BIOS chip, aligning it correctly in its socket. It's crucial to apply gentle pressure when securing it in place. After replacing the chip, reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. Make sure everything is securely connected before proceeding. Once you've replaced the component, replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and secured. Reinsert the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten them as this could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your device. If you hear the startup sounds and see the HP logo, congratulations, you've successfully resolved the BIOS issue. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue in the future, ensure your BIOS is updated regularly and avoid abrupt shutdowns. Additionally, maintaining a clean and dust-free environment can help prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.